Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make beautiful and organized aesthetic notes for your biology notebooks. So let's get started. Number 1, material. First, gather your material. You need a biology notebook. Here I am telling you about this notebook. This is my biology notebook. You'll need a biology notebook, colored pens or highlighters. Like you'll need highlighters and colored some pens, sticky notes. You can use these one and as well these black sticky notes, and a ruler organization. So these are the material that you need to make for static notes. Like these are 2 marker color, but you can use as well more than this according to your will. So these are the things that you can use. Number 2, organization. Start by dividing your notebook into different sections, like as you can see here. And these are divided into different topics, different sections for different topics like cells, genetics, and ecology. Use sticky notes or color tabs to mark, like as I have used here, color tabs to mark each for easy navigation. So you can use them easily. Here I have made notes. Step number 3. Create headings. Next, create clear and bold heading for each topic. Use a ruler to draw straight lines and write the heading in different colors to make them stand out. Step number 4, diagrams. Include diagrams and illustration to help visualize complex concepts. Used colored pens to add labels and annotation to your diagrams, making them visually appealing and informative. Step number 5, key point. Highlight key points and important information using different colors. This will make it easier for you to review and remember the most crucial details. Step number 6, summarize. At the end of each topic, create a summary section. Write down the main points and the key to take away in a concise and organized manner. Step number 7, review. Regularly review your notes to reinforce your understanding. Use them as a quick reference guide before exams or quizzes. Step number 8, that is our conclusion. And there you have it, beautiful aesthetic notes for your biology notebook. Remember to personalize your notes and make them visually appealing to suit your own style. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more study tips. Thanks for watching and happy note taking as well. In last, I want to give you a pro tip. So there you go. Like you can use in making notes, you can use 2 different colors rather than blue and black. That makes your notes stand out, and it's also help scientifically to remember in a long way. So that colors are green and red. Rather than black and blue, you can use these 2 as well to write important information, so you can gather the information in a really quick way. Goodbye. I hope so. I will meet you in the next video.